Understanding reed-making tools in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, reed-making tools. This is a phrase that might sound simple but is packed with specific meaning, especially for those interested in music or certain crafts. Let's dive into what this phrase means and why it's important. Reed-making tools is a compound noun, where each word contributes to the overall meaning. Let's break it down. Reed. This refers to a thin strip of material that vibrates to produce sound in a musical instrument, like a clarinet or saxophone. Making. This is a verb that denotes the action of creating or constructing something. Tools. These are devices or implements used to carry out a particular function, often manual or mechanical. So, when we combine these words, we get a phrase that refers to the instruments or devices used to create or prepare reeds for musical instruments. Understanding the phrase, reed-making tools, is especially important for those interested in music or woodwind instruments. These tools are essential for musicians who play instruments like clarinets, oboes, or saxophones, as they allow for the precise preparation and customization of reeds, which greatly affects the sound quality. Let's look at some common reed-making tools. Reed knives, used for shaping and adjusting the reed. Mandrels, tools that help in forming and holding the reed. Pliers and cutters, used for cutting and adjusting the reed's wire and tubing. Understanding these tools helps in appreciating the skill and craftsmanship that goes into preparing an instrument for playing. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding what reed-making tools means. It's a phrase that opens up a world of music and craftsmanship, showing how language can lead us into fascinating new areas of knowledge. Thanks for watching, and keep learning.